I'm slowly but surely climbing up Hoosier Pass. I haven't gotten to the switchbacks yet, but steady climb. Not terrible, but I mean, you're climbing, you're constantly pedaling, so just kind of in a meditative state. But the scenery is just absolutely gorgeous. I know I've probably said that 100 times on this trip, but just amazing. You can see back there where I came from, and turn around so you can see where I'm kind of headed up that way. So when I'm at the top, will be 11,500 feet. I'm slowly working my way up Hoosier Pass. I'm at 10,500 feet. Pretty much the height of the pass, Vail Pass I went over yesterday. So I got another 1,000 feet to go. I don't know, maybe 3 or 4 miles to the top. It's going to start getting some switchbacks here shortly, and I'm sure the grade's going to increase. Barely any shoulder here, maybe a foot in some spots, but the drivers are very courteous here and they give me a wide berth. A lot of them have mountain bikes in the back, so probably going up to the top, probably going up to ride some trails or something. So at least everyone's given a wide berth, so it doesn't make it too bad. It is busy because it's a Sunday. I would have rather come through here maybe on a Monday or something, but it's 67 degrees now, and it's been shedding some layers. It was 45 degrees this morning. All right, slowly making my way up. It's like 6 and 7% grade, but that's where I came from, and I think I'm at 10,800 feet, so about 700 left to go. Getting further and further up the pass. I'm almost above the tree line here. Cool. It's a blue lake up here, I guess. Just enjoying the scenery. Getting closer to Hoosier Pass. Yeah, about 400 more feet to go. All right, just a couple more switchbacks. I've been just taking my sweet time. Obviously the oxygen is kind of low up here. I'm at 11,200 feet. So just taking a break maybe every quarter mile or 1/8 mile, depending on the grade. But, can't wait, feeling good. Can't wait to get over to the top. Sort of celebratory. Oh, it's gonna be awesome. Especially being that this is my highest pass I've ever gone over. Wow, that sucks. Bike and a bike carrier must have fell off the road here off an RV or something into the ditch. It's kind of rusty, so it's probably been here a while. All right, I finally made it up over Hoosier Pass, 11,500 feet. It's the highest I've been yet on the bike. Really? It's all downhill from here. Up behind me is South Park City, in which the infamous cartoon South Park was named after. It's a little old, like, mining town recreated. I don't know if it's recreated, but it's set up as a old mining town. May have been at one time, I don't know. But kind of neat. It's got a killer tailwind after coming down the pass there. Even some flat spots where I didn't have any grade down, I was cruising at like 25 miles an hour. It felt good. But I should have eaten something before coming down, because I'm definitely feeling weak. I was trying to hold out to get here for lunch. Probably should have eaten something, but I'm already here, so Go find some grub. This road is just super busy. There's a semi-decent shoulder, but I don't know. Just biking's not doing it for me right now. I just kind of want to lay down somewhere and take a nap. But I know I got some, I don't know, maybe 15 or 20 miles still to put in. So I don't know if I'm gonna, I was gonna camp, but maybe I'll go to Buena Vista and get a hotel or something. I'm just really not feeling it. I think that pass just took it out of me. I did find 20 bucks in Fairplay though, so that was kind of cool. But yeah, just not feeling it. Did have a tailwind and a nice little shower that cooled me down a little bit, but I don't know, just really not doing it for me. And no point in keep riding if it's not doing it for me. So I don't know, I'm gonna keep trucking along because there's no shelter here, and it looks like it might be storming behind me where I'm coming from. Got one more pass. It's like 9,300 feet. So maybe about 300 feet in elevation for me. It shouldn't be too bad, but yeah, I don't know. We'll reevaluate things, but just as it sits right now, I'm really just not feeling it. I don't know. I've got a bug or something. Not feeling too hot. Got a case of Montezuma's Revenge. So not good when you're biking and there's no facilities. Anyway, last pass before lodging this evening. Trout Creek Pass.